Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I had one bite.
Yeah, it's running, man.
Holy. Ah, rain, wind. Sneaky little buggers. Got one. Here it comes. There we go. That's not a bad start.
That's a good whiting.
That looks alright, eh?
Yep.
There we go. I'm gonna give him a quick measure. Come on, cooperate. Ah. Oh, come on. They like to curl their tails up. He is just over that 23. I might put him back. There's got to be bigger.
It should be.
Yeah, he's only just reaching that 23. He's going to come out of my hand. Hang on. I'll regrip him.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, you got a long shank on yours.
Yeah, I'm prepared for these guys. Alright. Bring me some bigger ones. There, mate. Here
That
he goes.
wasn't my spot, wasn't it?
Not really.
Guys,
It was off to my side a bit.
Yeah, mine's drifting. Maybe it might.
Weird kind of weather today, hey?
Yeah.
A bit rainy, windy, and it's actually chilly. No. Alright guys, so started here, one whiting, but we're going to move on. It's only some little bites here. Hopefully the next spot will give us some more fish. Righto. Our next spot, we're getting attacked with those blind ants here. Cole's first little snag. Let's see what I can do. Nah, I'm going to bring in first fish. Oh shit, that's right. No flex in the rod. Not used to these stiff rods. Gonna bite. Oh, it's vicious. So many bugs. Oh, I am on. Ah! Thought that was a big sucker. Ah, biting me. Holy heck! I thought it was a big fish. There you go, little one. Oh, those bugs are ridiculous. Come on. Oh, yay. I actually got a brim. Told you I was going to be the first one catching a fish here.
That's pretty good.
Oh, look, I caught him.
Oh yeah.
That's weird.
That wasn't a real catch, huh?
No.
I got something, a big wheel or something.
Oh, yeah? Okay, there we go. What are you dragging in?
I don't know. That's a big rock.
What is it?
It's a big rock.
Holy heck, bro. That's amazing.
Oh, wait,
Oh, look, you got a little
mud.
mud skipper with it.
Come on.
Okay, you caught a fish.
That's it. There we go.
Nice
Oh.
catch, bro.
That's a PB.
Yeah. A lot of hard work, that one.
Oh. Had the drag on set too.
Yeah, a few little ones. More on prawn than mullet. What do you got?
Oh wow.
Well, that's different, eh?
Different to yours.
Hmm.
You've been catching a fish. The first one.
That's your first one. Oh yeah? Your second one.
Not a big one.
Oh, that's smaller than mine too.
Woohoo. Number 2, eh?
Oh, here we go. Have I got it on? Yeah, he's on. Probably the size off. Would have been the size of yours, bro. Oh yeah? Again?
I don't think they're getting any bigger.
Oh my goodness, bro. I reckon it's a season for these guys.
Everywhere.
They're everywhere. They're almost like a pest.
I know.
Yep. And bugs in my mouth. Oh yeah, they're big here.
That's bigger than my one.
Smaller than my first one though. I hooked him properly this time. Oh, there you go. On. No bite and just took it. This little stuff, man. Flicks the bait out. There we go. Oh my goodness, they're getting real small. Yep, got one. Here we go. Back under the bridge again, and that's what we're getting. Thanks, fish. So aggressive.
Keep going in the mud.
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Look at it trying to squeeze under the rock.
He's got that mullet that I threw in there.
Oh yeah?
So
Sussed
there's a
it out.
crab there too. See? You backed up because the crab's got it.
Any bites?
Hey?
Any bites?
Nah, nothing yet.
Holy heck. Damn rain. Did my prawn come off?
Hey?
Did my prawn come off? It did. That's better. Oh, here we go, bro. Yeah, something was slowly taking it. Come on. I wonder if it's a crab. Here we go. Yes. I was just wondering if it was a crab the way it was nibbling on it.
Hope it's good.
Oh, I hope so.
Been out here in this crappy weather. That's a
Bloody grim.
big grim.
Little car. Holy. Look at that.
That's big.
massive.
Look at that. That's huge.
Holy heck, what a massive tarwine. Oh,
That's massive.
holy
Look at
heck.
that.
We gotta measure this because it could be my PB for
That's
tarwine.
huge.
I was thinking a flatty, man. Holy heck.
That's big.
That's amazing. That felt nice. I'll just put my rod down and help you.
Yep.
There we go.
That's easy, like a 30, near 36, nearly a 37.
Nearly pushing 37.
Wow,
Wow.
that's huge.
I have to check what my biggest tarwine is.
That's big, man.
Woohoo! That's one nice fish, man.
Beautiful.
That's getting back in. See, sometimes it pays to fish in the rain. Woo! Look at that. Jealous?
That was good. Yeah. I was thinking it was a flatty or something.
So was I. It was the weirdest bites ever. I thought it was a crab. And then it started running, so it's not a crab. Oh, that sand's soft. Oh, I got water running down me back. So I got water running down me back because my hood come off on my jacket.
Oh.
It's not really doing anything now. Ugh. It's cold too. Yes.
Not as big as yours.
Yeah, I don't hear no drag going. Well, at least you got one here.
That's good. Oh, keep still. There we go. Nice. Gotta be a big one.
Thanks, bro. Can't seem to get another bite. Let's get the heck out of here.
Hey.
I'm completely wet.
Yeah.
Even under my jacket, I'm just soaking.
Time for a coffee.
Yes.
Let's go.
Get warm.
Well, you got the biggest fish today.
I know. It's paid off, eh?
That's good.
I'm happy.
That's good.
Alright guys, heading home, getting out of this weather. The wet weather paid off being out here, luckily. Yeah, I'm going to check my PB record for my tar one and see if I beat it, but that was a beast. So very happy with today's effort. We'll see you in the next vid. See ya!